What's going on, everyone? I've basically been obsessed with dissecting YouTube's crypto mining content lately, and last night I sat through probably 80-something videos, everything from beginner-friendly walkthroughs to these supposedly elite insider tactics about mining crypto without purchasing actual hardware. And what's genuinely disturbing is this consistent theme I keep encountering. We're talking like 92% of these videos are actively pushing blatant scam platforms, sites displaying fabricated earnings dashboards, operations using purchased fake testimonials, all the scam stuff. I'm consuming this content thinking, man, these YouTubers are either knowingly participating in fraud or they're just incredibly reckless with what they promote to their audiences. I honestly developed serious distrust toward the entire cloud mining sector because it seems like the whole industry is just predatory garbage. But yeah, I actually discovered arcmine about 2 months back, and look, it remains the only platform I genuinely stake my reputation on. Like, I've put it through extensive real-world testing, completed numerous successful withdrawals, verified their legitimacy from multiple angles, and it's consistently proven reliable without any red flags.
All right, so going to demonstrate this in real time so you witness the complete process. Okay, first thing, clicking Start Mining. So I'm selecting XRP right now, but just so you know, the platform handles mining for essentially every major cryptocurrency out there. But I'm sticking with Ripple for this walkthrough. Okay, clicking Continue. Good. So at this point, I need to add my receiving address. So opening my wallet app, copying that XRP address, switching back to the browser, and dropping it into this field. All right, good. Now I'm adjusting hash rate power and mining speed. In simple terms, these controls determine how much processing capacity gets assigned to the mining operation and the execution speed. But catch this, it directly influences what you'll pay in fees. So cranking these settings higher means I'll mine cryptocurrency faster, but the service charges increase proportionally. So this looks good. Okay, next I'm specifying my target amount. This displays how much crypto I'm targeting, what that converts to in USD, and the projected time frame. Okay, and now I'm starting the mining session. Awesome, it's active. And now let's give this a moment. I'll speed this part up. And nice, done. I've successfully mined this quantity of XRP, ready to transfer it to my wallet. But key detail here, the platform needs the infrastructure fee covered before they'll process any withdrawal. Everything's itemized right here. So here's the power consumption, here are the data center clusters that ran the operation, plus the network transaction costs. And yeah, super important to remember, the minimum infrastructure fee for utilizing their resources always sits at 30 baseline. So definitely account for that in your planning. So I'm copying this payment address. Okay, give me a sec. Good. Now back to the app, clicking I've sent the payment, and just waiting for everything to process. So while the transaction's confirming and I'm waiting for the coins to hit my wallet, let me explain to you why this app is trustworthy and genuinely useful. First thing, they operate with complete honesty about realistic returns. Most scam platforms hook you with fantasy promises like 5x your investment in 2 weeks or guaranteed daily returns. arcmine doesn't pull that garbage. It shows you honest mining projections based on actual network difficulty. They're transparent about all fees up front. They don't make ridiculous claims. This realistic approach is incredibly rare in the space. When a platform is straightforward about modest returns, that's actually a massive green flag indicating they're running a legitimate operation, not trying to lure victims with impossible promises.
Second, its operational model reflects real mining economics. Here's what most people overlook. Legitimate crypto mining has substantial costs. Industrial data centers require massive electricity, specialized cooling systems, hardware that needs constant maintenance. All these expenses don't magically disappear with cloud mining. They're just consolidated. arcmine's $30 minimum infrastructure fee actually reflects genuine operational costs. When platforms advertise zero fees or minimal costs, they're either outright lying or planning to hit you with hidden charges later. The fact that arcmine is completely upfront about their cost structure shows they're operating a real business with actual expenses, not running a Ponzi scheme paying old users with new deposits. One more crucial thing, intelligently manage your withdrawal strategy. When you successfully complete your first mining contract and withdraw, you face an important decision: extract everything to cold storage or reinvest a portion into new contracts for compounding growth.
I personally employ a 65-35 split.
withdraw 65% immediately to my hardware wallet for long-term holding, and reinvest 35% into new mining contracts. So this balanced approach lets me continuously build my crypto holdings while maintaining active mining exposure for potential upside. So find whatever ratio matches your personal risk tolerance and financial objectives. So yeah, links available in both the pinned comment and description below. Peace out.